Hey, it's Logan with Grayman Racing here. We've got the tank back from paint, and I'll show you pictures of that in a minute. Right now, we're drilling the prefabricated replacement fairing. The other one is too damaged to use. So I'm going to drill through this and get it prepped and everything, and then at the end of the video, I'll show you the paint on the tank. And yeah, the YSR is getting along there. We have some other videos coming up for the Roadmaster. I've got a couple what I'm going to call 2-minute videos. I'm going to install the crotch cooler by Tennessee Holster Company, or Cat and Itch, whichever name he wants to go by. I've got the cup holder for the Roadmaster as well, and then there's a couple other odds and ends videos we're going to go with. So we'll just get into this. Almost put a hole in the wrong spot. There are pre-marked areas to drill that line up with the windshield here. So I'm drilling those, and then I've got some paper to map out where to put the. I bought the Slimline signal lights. I did also buy the JDM ones, but they stuck out a little too far. As you probably will see here, I don't have a lot of room in my garage, so things that stick out tend to get busted off. So. Onward ho! Step 1, don't drill finger. Step 2, don't drill finger. In spite of it being stored generally safe and everything like that, we've got chips like here and up here, and just generally, like I said, the front piece has gotten marred, and it's been stored up top 90% of the time, so, you know. It's generally how projects get broke, is just sitting around. There's chips there too, so you don't want to leave them sitting around. Logan's about to find out if this fits. One nice thing, they have nice broad heads that cover up, because I'm going to have to elongate a couple holes here. So, as I mentioned previously, I was going to show you the paint. This is kind of what it looked like before, and now it looks, you know, pretty spectacular. It's covered in dust and stuff because I've been working here. But some next adventures, we need to take the fairing off the front of this. I'm going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Big one. And like a 14 or 15 mil wrench. So. Little bits. Got this. I'm gonna need a 13 mil wrench as well. Oh, Allen keys.
Allen keys are in the box in the bottom of my box.
Yeah, just give me the Allen sockets. stubby. How far was this going around? I need a stubby Phillips. Should be left hand side. No, okay, you can't find it. It should be a stubby one there, like short.
Flat.
It's by your left hand there. Whatever, give me a small Phillips then.
Sockets, metric or imperial?
Metric. It's Japanese, it'll be metric. So like I said, I did buy the JDM ones, but they stick out a little much for my tastes, so. I'm gonna need the little ratchet. They're gonna use this small. It's a quarter drive. There's a number of these holes we don't have to drill, isn't there? Yeah, there's a number we do. That thing's still following me now. Nope, nope. So you want to just adjust it by hand? Okay, so some of the holes we have to drill are like over here. As you can see, this is really cracked badly here, so that's why we're not reusing this. Gotta turn the furnace off this more. But I bought the JDM headlight. It's got a glass headlight. It's got a better bulb, better reflector, better than the North American plastic one that they gave us when we bought the bikes in North America. So, if anybody is looking and wants to buy a set of JDM YSR lights, let me know. I'm selling a set. So. Okay. Let's notice that too. Go back 1 2 seconds. So.
There's a note.
What?
Gesture control enabled more than 5 minutes.
Will batter, yeah. That's fine. Hey, it started moving.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Here, hold that. that running light on it? Nice. I'm gonna see if we can buy a 6-volt. My plan is to eventually convert all the lights on here to LED. It is a 6-volt system. So I gotta do a little hunting. But we do that and it should be good. That holds it in place, which is fine. Mirrors are good. I had to build new spacers and redo threads up here for the new ignition I changed. We changed the headlight lock, or the helmet lock to match the keys. That Zoom Us R Us page is really handy. I'll put a link in the description down below. Yeah, so now we get to map out some adventures here. Let's just take this and go this way. Okay, so fun. Good, these are marked. For the fairing, these are marked. That, don't need to drill these. I don't need to drill it. What the hell is this for? I don't know how far I can go. Because I don't see anything worth getting at straight through the fairing. Unless there's something with the overhead light. Yeah. See, the old headlight had a up-down adjustment bracket. The JDM one has a balancing. Oh no, it's got 2 of them on the sides. Okay, so that's what these are for. So we're going to drill these instead of just the center one. That's kind of good because that allows left to right, a little left to right and stuff. I'll have to see. Huh. That's the bottom one. That's quite interesting. Right. Yeah, it's definitely a better system. So, first things first. Right there. Don't drill your hand roll. Good. Put bolts back where you got them so you don't lose the bloody things. But here, I think it's 2 seconds. Stop here, and I don't know how much you can see now for the. Here, let's bring this over the way. See, it does look much better. Remember, this whole part was missing all the paint because it was leaking. Inside the tank's now been coated, which looks really good. I think you saw that in a previous video that it was coated. If you didn't, go back, watch the videos. What you do notice, I don't know if you can notice right now. Let me just adjust this. Go ahead and loosen this. So we do notice. Go down. Ooh, whoa. So the little TGI, I don't know if you can notice. Whoop, upside down. Oh, that's interesting. It's lost its mind. There we go. It'll go away. So I'm gonna take 2 seconds here. You can likely see it is leaking oil. There's likely from the 2-stroke tank. But the seal on the engine's gone. The seal down over in here. But I don't know. Oh, I was gonna put this back in place so I don't lose it. I wish I think could do a full 360 swivel. Nice. Okay, so yeah, I am picking up the tripod and moving it all the way around so the gimbal doesn't lock. Got that. Now, I need to drill these two. To do that, I need the size of your average screwdriver, because that's what you're doing. You're running through, and that drill that I have is too small. So let's take. Is that nice? That looks nice. Lining up the hole. And voila! Nice, straight through, easy access. And it doesn't really matter how if these are close or not. And Phillips is gonna strip anyway. But anyway. Voila! That one's done. Weird. Like 80% of the way. So our next adventure is these holes here, and then a big one here for the mounting, and then figuring out where we're gonna, well, I guess that's gonna dictate where we mount the lights, maybe. I don't know. Not too sure. So as you can see, we have all the plastics ready. They're going to paint tomorrow, and in a couple weeks we'll have all the plastics back. The bike will be ready to roll. Like I said, I gotta fix the 2 oil leaks. I bought a gasket kit. So maybe a week or 2, and then we'll kick her over and get her to start. Oh, I gotta pick up a battery for it. You'll see that in another episode. Anyway, I don't know, what's there, like, comment, subscribe, or some crap? Just don't say anything rude.